Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggless chocolate chip cookies. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring you have suitable egg substitutes ready. We'll explore common alternatives like applesauce or mashed banana, which add moisture and bind the dough effectively. This guide will walk you through each step, from mixing to baking, ensuring your cookies turn out perfectly soft and chewy every time. Get ready to enjoy a classic treat, made accessible for everyone. Choosing the right egg substitute is crucial for texture and flavor. For each egg, you can use 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, which adds moisture and a subtle sweetness. Alternatively, 1/2 of a mashed ripe banana works wonderfully, contributing to a soft, cake-like texture. Another excellent option is a flax egg, made by combining 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water, letting it sit for 5 minutes until it thickens. Proper mixing is key to achieving the ideal cookie texture. Begin by creaming your softened butter and sugars together until the mixture is light and fluffy, incorporating air for a tender crumb. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing just until combined to avoid tough cookies. Scoop dough onto a baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Once your delicious eggless chocolate chip cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to firm up slightly before you transfer them. Then, move them to a wire rack to cool completely, ensuring they maintain their perfect shape and texture. These cookies are fantastic warm or at room temperature, perfect with a glass of milk. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.